Thank you, Mr. Sunil. Respected Vice Chairman, I.T.S Education, our distinguished speaker of this I.T.S Samvaad series, Shri Sunil, Director PR of I.T.S Education Group, Shri Sunil, Director I.T.S Management, Dr. Mohan, Director of I.T.S UG Campus, Dr. Nancy Sharma, Sunil, who has been a great help in aligning this entire program under the guidance of SINASA. And I stand here in my proud privilege to share that the people, those who have made themselves, how they are eager and always willing to contribute in spreading not only awareness, but also sharing their experience as how they have come across to a certain level where their experiences, their thoughts, and what they have achieved not only inspires, but it also gives a way to think as how we can march ahead in our professional journey in time to come. The theme which has been kept for this special session, it itself talks about the vision of the country, what government is looking for. In last almost 12 years, we have reached that fourth place when it comes to global economy. And Viksit Bharat 47 aims to take this journey to $30 billion economy, where proudly we can place ourselves not only as a Viksit Bharat, but also to show the world that what potential India has and what vision and commitment its citizens have to make this country a proud place to live. In last almost 1.5 decades, lots of things have happened. In a country like India, with population approaching to almost 1.5 billion, where apart from 22 official languages, total 121 different languages are spoken, with 19,500 plus dialects. It is not an easy thing to create a framework where everyone is aligned with a common goal to take this country ahead. But thanks to the policy, thanks to the people those who are involved in strategizing all these things, policy framing, and then creating something on ground which leads to success. And that's where, as you, as a student, your role comes in. Because Viksit Bharat 2047 is a vision. That curated vision can't be achieved till every individual of the country together, inclusively, move forward. That commitment is reflected. And that's why we see lots of things are happening. The current government, if you look around, in last almost a decade, the things when individuals and especially youth is involved, like research and innovation when we talk about, around 4.3 crore students are studying in higher education institutions in more than 43,000 colleges like us and around 1,100 plus universities across the country. In last 5 years almost, if you see, the filing of patent and granting of patents have increased manifold. Means these youth, these students, young students, they are coming up, they are coupling with these innovative minds. They want to do something. They are trying, and up to a certain extent, they are successfully able to draft their vision, to present in the form of their concept, their ideas, submit it to NCA, and then, when I say NCA, it's the proper way. And then getting their designs, getting their work taken care. In 2023 itself, the growth was almost 149% when it comes to research, patent filing and design filing. Lots of things are happening. And if things are happening, there are positive signs. With a country which is having over 65% of its population, which is productive under 35 years of age. I was just in a small conversation with Sinha sir, when we talk, we happily share that this 35 years of age, we have 65% population kids. It's something which is playing as dividend and will continue to. But when we talk about those things, challenges and threats also come into the city. And all these things needs to be discussed, needs to be talked about. And I'm sure that today this session is going to unfold many such things, and it is going to be an amazing session, because whenever I have listened, so in Sinasa, starting from there to the cricket festival, when we were talking about with Samunda and his story, it has always given a different perspective altogether. And a student of management and technology, generally we are inclined towards domain, that IT student talks about IT, management student talks about management. There are certain things which may not be directly connected, but it equally plays important role when it comes to our development. If something is happening between Iran and Israel, US, if something is happening between Russia and Ukraine, we cannot keep ourselves away from it, because each individual, because individual forms family, family forms society, society forms country, and country's independence is not no more. Truth now. Our interests are so closely connected with each other that something happens somewhere, we are directly impacted. So all those things are very important to understand. I'm sure that this session is going to give you glimpse of lots of things which otherwise may be find to difficult, at least in books, magazines, journals, because it comes with by the virtue of experience. So with these words, on behalf of Institute, I welcome to the distinguished speaker, Sri Sunil, our Vice Chairman, Sri I.T.S sir, our Director General, Sri Sunil sir, for making it possible. He has to, our Vice Chairman has to rush from out the station, but since he knew that Sinha is coming and we all will be waiting, he has made it possible, and immediately after this session, both the guests will be leaving for their session. So thank you so much to each of you, and look forward very knowledgeable.